Good day. Hello, hi. My name is Nzedarotonda. Thank you so much for getting back to my YouTube channel. Oh, Happy New Year. Once again, we are doing Introduction to System Development. Most of people who will be watching this video will be new learners. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be updated when I upload new videos. And also again, just know that we have got a WhatsApp group, a free WhatsApp group whereby I offered free online lessons and also assistance to both ISET, IK, as well as preparation towards the exam. So if you're interested, do take my numbers amongst the comment and holler me inbox on WhatsApp. Again, I will give you the link and then we'll take it from there, just to help you to pass ISD with distinction, so it's possible. Now today we will be treating a question paper that was written on 6 March 2024. Now it's paper 2 of Introduction to System Development, written from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock, which means it was 4 hours. And then we will not take 4 hours to fill it. We might take an hour and a few minutes. We'll make sure that we'll be fast. So make sure that you have your pen, your paper. You will be writing down what I'll be explaining, some way forward. You know, ISD is the most easiest one. I know you can pass it. You can make it. So yeah, subscribe and also share. Let's get down to it. 6 March 2024. That means this was a SUP. It was a SUP. And do you know what they say? They say a SUP question paper is always difficult compared to the final paper. So this was a SUP since it's written on the 6th March. Let's scroll down to the question paper and see. Mostly it's composed of 4 questions. Let's hope also here it's the same. 4 questions. There we go. 4 questions indeed. Question 1 is the design, and it's saving how many marks? It's saving 33 marks for only designing, and it's possible to do the design that they wanted and you get the entire 33 marks. Okay, and now question 2, I skipped it. It's 29 marks. So if you have got that 30 what of question 1 and then 29 of question 2, that means you have got 50 already. So it's easy to pass. Let's get to question 3. Let's see what is composed of. Okay, coding, programming. And you know, programming it's only in 4 steps. It's in declaring the variable, assigning the variable, processing the variable, and displaying the variable. And most of learners, they've got challenge in processing the variable. But if you know the formula that will be given, then you are safe. Okay, now question 3 is 25 marks, swimming as well. Question 4 is fixing the errors in the code. I think we can do this. Let's see how many marks question 4 is. 13. Okay, let's start with question 1. I wanted to say let's start with question 4, but still you can start with question 4 because it's the most simplest one and you already know that you've got 14 marks. So let's see the design. What are we designing? So with my phone, I need to take a picture so that when we do this, I will be seeing on the phone the design. Mind you, in the exam room, they will load the project on the computer. You just only go and open and start to work. At myself, because this is not an exam, I'm just doing it at the comfortable of my home. So if you check here, this question refers to the VBNet solution shell and dime that has been saved on the hard drive of which it is hard driving a school in your campus. And as for me, there is no way where it says I have to design this from the scratch. Alright, but as for you guys, you will be at least having it. Now they say you have been hired by the management of Chill and Dine to create a program that can be used to register potential patrons and allow patrons to make reservation. Okay, this is designable, it is doable. So let me have a picture of it so that I can easily design it. Since I don't have a question paper, I'm using this online one. Okay, perfect, good. Now I have it. Okay, now question number 1 says change the text in the title bar of the form to your examination number. Question 2 says add a tab control to the form. Number 3 says change the caption of the tab page 1 to register and tab page 2 to booking as shown below. And then these 3 marks, I think we can do it at once, and then we'll come back and take another mark. Let's do these 3 marks. Okay, I have to start from the beginning. Okay, we need a tab control. On the tab control, we have got 2 pages. They said the first one, we must change the form into the examination number, right? Then you will change it to your ID number. There we go. Please don't mind my ID number. It's not the true one. I just used so that we can code and continue. I'm not born in that year. So tab control 1. No, we don't change the name. We need the text. Where is the text? Where is the text? I can't see the text. Okay. Anyway, let me just change it here. Fine. They said we should use what register 1, booking 1. Register 1. Is it register 1 and booking 1? This, okay. Let's come to this one. Okay. I might be going with this in a wrong way, but it's fine. This one, large. There you go. There we can only add the tab and remove the tab. Ladies and gentlemen, I've already started to lose marks. 2 marks of renaming here. Can't seem to find a way to rename it. How do I even forgotten this? Wow. Wow. Can't believe that I forgot it. But anyway, we can't be wasting time on it now. So let's start with tab 1. They said we should do what? So out of that 3 marks, we only managed to got 2. So we were supposed to come to text and change this register and begin. But fine. As time goes by while coding, I'll remember. There's only 2 marks out of that 31. So now they say we should add the control of a label and of the text. It's gonna be 6, 3, it's gonna be 9. You know how to add the label, you know how to add text box. So this 9 marks, you have it already. A date time picker, and then 10 marks, you have it already. This button, 14 marks, you have it already. Add the seed, another label, and then you get another 6 marks. Wow, it's gonna be easier. And then on the date time picker, we are changing the current date, and the text box is gonna be blank. Okay, by now we know that we have got about 20 marks. Let's start to design. I think the best way and fastest way of designing is when we get everything that will be required and we put it there, and then we start to put and rename one after the other, right? Okay, let's go to our toolbox and see what we're gonna need. They said label. You look for label. There is the label. And we look for text box. Here is the text box. We're gonna need date time picker. Date time picker. We're going to do date time picker. And we're gonna need button. We're going to do button. And now I think excuse me. Now let's count how many labels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. Already one, we have it. Copy, paste, paste, paste. I'm using copy and paste. I've already taught on how to do copy and paste using shortcuts. If you do not know it, check our previous lessons where I will be showing how to design an interface as fast as possible. So from there we are coming to the temperature is there. Let's make it large. And then let's say copy, paste, paste, paste. This will go here. Temperature must go down a little bit. Must come here. Must be here. Now it's starting to show how it is on your exam question paper. Copy, paste, paste, paste. You can check your question paper and check here. I think we are designing it properly, right? There we go. All things that they said we should put, we have put. Sorry. Now what's left is to change in the rename in order for us to get all them. So that's how it is. They said surname, initial, ID number, contract number, date of birth. Let's do this. Surname, date, initial. Let's go down. ID number. Let's go down. They said contact, right? Number 3, contact number, contact number. Number 4, date of birth, date of birth. So this thing is easy as this, guys. It's easy as this. I think the question 1 you can get all the marks, right? Patron number, and then they said submit, and then they said exit. On this side they said clear, okay, clear, and then on this side they said book your seat, book your seat. We are done for register tab, and then we come into page 2, which is for booking. So when I click here, those ones disappears because they are on this page. So we are going to add the ones for this page. So if you check, they use the two. So also here, if there is a quicker way of getting or the design done, is by putting all the things that will be needed. And also again, you can go using question paper. If something you are seeing on the interface and you do not know it, when you read the question, then it gets easier to get to know the name of the thing that you need. So we've got label, we need a text box. From text box we'll need, what else we have? We have got button, we've got this can be speaker, we have a combo box you can see. Let me put here. This can speaker is on B, that means not far. Here we have got button, it's on B, that means it's not far here. What else are we gonna need? One thing that we're gonna need that I am not sure of it, gonna be for number of seats, right? Now let's go to the question to verify, since we do not know this. I'm not sure what they use for this going up and down, but we will know if we read the question. Let's go. It's gonna be somewhere numeric up, down. Okay, here we go. We got the question. We got what it's called numeric up, down. It's on N. We have the alphabet N, element of N, numeric up, down. There we go. Yes, and it does look like it. Now let's start designing the way they wanted it. How many labels do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we do copy and paste, right? Copy and paste. Copy, paste, paste, paste. How many did I count? I think I said 5, right? 3, 4, 2, last one. 5. There we go. The time picker on number 2. Combo ball is on number 4. The time picker on number 3. Text box is on number 1, and the number copy paste. When we do copy, we use CTRL Control plus C. Into paste, we use Control plus V. Okay, Control C, I copy, Control V, paste, Control V, paste. Here we go. We're done with the design number 2. We're almost there with the. We're almost there in getting that 30 what marks. So now let's change the remaining, and then we'll be done, and we have all that marks. It's out of 33, and I've already said I've lost those 2 marks of remaining the control tab. That means out of 33 we're gonna have 31. Okay, so let's change the name now. This one because you should say patron number, patron number, and then this one is gonna be the date, and then this one is gonna be number of seats. Oh guys, please, in the exam question 1, don't lose marks. I advise you to get all the marks, or at least lose 1 or 2, just because you will be not knowing you won't be knowing what it is supposed to be done. Put the table, table, look at table, reset, there we go, lastly back. There we go, guys. This is our design. Check the question paper, check the design. We have got this one on the tab number 1, this one, and then we have got this on the tab number 2. So guys, for the last time, let me try to check the text here. I'm only finding a name instead of a text. So yeah, let's agree. Somebody who knows how to change the name of a tab control, please comment on the section so that others can learn. Also, if I find it, I will come back and explain to others. But so far, I'm having a challenge of doing it. So that 2 marks is gone. There we go, guys. Out of 33, we have 31. So what is it that we did not do? There is nothing that we didn't do. All of it, we did it. If you check this question paper, all of it, we did all these things, we did all this, except for this 2 marks. This one. The rest, we did it. So guys, I advise you, question 1, make sure you kill it and you get all the marks. Alright. We have to go to question 2. Now question 2, it has got how many marks? It has got 29 marks, and we have got 31. So 31 plus 29 is 50. Already we have passed if we can kill papers. Question 2. Okay. Now what does question 2 say we should do? Now question 2 says this question refers to VBNet solution per camera write that has been saved on the hard drive. You don't have the hard drive, you need to work from the scratch. Friends have raised money to buy vehicle that they will use to launch a business that would transport commuters in their neighborhood and nearby places for a minimal fee of 5 cents per kilometer multiplied by the number of passengers. Okay, now this is our IPO. Here we have got 2 inputs and 2 outputs and 1 processing. Distance is an input and the number of passengers is an input. Text fare is the one that we're going to calculate in the display text fare as an output. The formula is distance multiplied by 5 multiplied by number of passengers. There we go. We have got type of vehicle. We have got 4-seater, 7-seater, 10-seater. Number of passengers less than 5, between 5 and 4, between 5 and 7. I mean to say between 8 and 10. Okay. There we go. Let's start to work now. Let's see the interface. There it is. Alright. Let me take a picture of it so that I can design it on my side. Okay. Perfect. Let's go to... Can we add another tab here so that we can use it for question 2? Let's add another tab. There we go. Now guys, on your side it will be designed. So myself, I have to design it from the scratch because it's not saved on the hard drive. Okay, I will be first. It's called Pakama Ride. So I've got label, text box, numeric up, down, and button. Simple. Okay, let's start by taking labels. Where you cannot find. Okay, we've got button here. Good. And then other than button, we're gonna need what labels. There you go. From labels, we're gonna need numeric up, down. Where is it? Numeric up, down. From there, we're gonna need what else? Text box. We're gonna need text box T. And then I think from there will be done. I can see text box. Okay. Alright, now let me design this part. I've got label up there. And then let me do copy of label. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Label. Again, I'm gonna need another label. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one. No need to delete it. Okay. Text box where you put you here. Computer. Put you here. Not computer, numeric up, down. And then the button. How many is there to be? There is 1. Copy the text. 2. And then 3. Now let's click on the design here. First button will be for calculate. Second button will be for clear. Third button will be for exit. Please don't continue to watch this video if you not subscribe. Take this way. From check this way, we say vehicle. From vehicle, we say number of passengers. Wow, this is gonna be long. No, of passenger. Distance. It says distance in kilometers. I just wrote only distance, right? Now we need the name. Oh, okay. it here. Okay. This one now, if we just started to do what we do best without changing some few things, we will have a problem. We need to change the border style to the 630. We need to change auto size to the resizable. We will find auto size again. Okay, there we go. Auto size must go to false. There we go, so that this can be adjustable. Another thing, before I do this, let me say copy paste. Copy paste. If you need and also here. Maybe a full on it. Maybe resize and marking. Full on it. There we go. There we go. And then come to this one, the name of the text. Where do I change the text again? I'm not seeing the text again. Good. What's the name? Yo, oh, screen is locked. Give me a moment. Okay, PAPPER. This PAPPER. Right. There we go. But we need to change some font so that it can be nice and big, like the one that the question paper is having. I'm only doing this so that you can see the question paper to look like the one that they saved already on your drive or on your system. So you don't need to do this you yourself. Myself, I'm doing it for you. They will do it for you. Okay, there you go. PAPPER, we have it. And this one on the text, you need to remove text. Oh, I'm removing font instead of text. There is the text. That should be up. There we go. Empty. And here that should be empty. Okay, we need to rename so that we can be able to work on coding. Then the next minute we'll be coding, and before you know, we are debugging. So this is txt distance, txt for text. This is going to be numeric up down. Okay, let me say txt passenger. LBL vehicle. LBL vehicle. And then this one, that is gonna be LBL exercise. Remember, when you change the name and the design, you don't put a space between. Otherwise, you put a space, it's not gonna work. Now, alright, we start with the coding now. There is our question paper. Okay. Let's start 2.1. Add your examination number as a comment on your source code. Okay, 1 mark. And then number 2, open value change this. Open the value change event on the node passenger numeric up and down, and add the following code. The value change. Okay, you must open and add right an if statement determined the vehicle type and not to the table above. This is where now learners have a challenge, and sometimes myself also have a challenge, because if statement, now we're going to use if statement. Okay, but before that, let's change the exam. Let's put the examination number on the code as a comment. We put one apostrophe, not inverted comma, one apostrophe, and then you put your ID. There you go. Okay. Now, one thing you need to know is that on this question paper, they will bring everything ready for you. Sometimes you find that they've declared values for you. You are just starting with assigning, because data validation goes with assigning. And then when they say assign, it's because they've already declared. But on my side, because we are doing it from the scratch, we don't have anything declared already. So when we assign what is not declared, sometimes it won't work right. So my advice is that we declare everything first, and then we will go to what they say as the question paper and then assign. But firstly, we declare. And then my advice is that we declare everything that input and also output. Then with assigning, then we'll assign only the input. Alright, so dim distance will be in integer, and distance and we have the distance, and we have got what, it's a number of passengers, as integer, right? And then let's also declare the vehicle is a 7-seater. It's gonna be this one. It's gonna be the label. This one, your vehicle is going to be string, and the one that is prepared is going to be decimal. Okay, dim vehicle at string, and then we declare the last one, dim taxi fare as decimal. Then we assign distance, convert integer to the text box that carries txt distance dot text. Let's also assign the number of passenger assigned to convert integer. It's going to be txt passenger dot okay, it doesn't carry text. Oh god. Okay, I may not assign it now. Oh, let me do this way before I read any challenges. This is what I do normally when I'm looking at something that I don't know how to use it. This is what I do. Let me do this before you start. Let me give you a solution on how to do. Can I add another text box? Can I add another text box quickly? Okay, text box is gonna sit next to here, and because this one is the number of passengers. This is the one that the question paper wants us to use. But I'm gonna use this one that I know how to use quickly. And then when the entire code works, then when I know that it's working and I'm having all the marks, I will come back and then work on this one that I might have a challenge done. I use it and then I face a challenge and then we don't finish the coding. Okay, so let's go back. That's what I normally I do, and that's what I also did during my school time. Yo guys, I'm opening the 20, which one is this one? 2019. Oh, I'll close it. I opened it by mistake. Okay, let's continue coding. And open, I will close it. Where was I? I was still saying number of passenger assigned convert to integer, and then text txt and then the number of integer, number of passengers dot. Wait a minute. Just in a second. What did I name it again? I've forgotten. Okay, this one. I need to know what did I name it. I've forgotten myself. And it has to be txt, shortcut for text. Txt. Good. Now let's go back. Okay. Txt, number of passengers. Good. Dot text. There we go. Now they said we should use data validation. Okay, there is that question again of using data validation. So I'm opening the wrong thing. What is wrong with me? Write if statement to determine the vehicle type. Refer to the table above. Display vehicle type on an appropriate level. Okay, we're gonna use the table above that says it says how many. Okay, 4-seater is less than 5. 7-seater between 5 and 7. 10-seater is 8, between 8 and 10. Okay. This statement, we've got 4-seater. So I'm gonna do 4-seater, 10-seater, and then we'll come back to 7-seater. Now, if okay, let me check. What am I gonna be returning? It's gonna be returning. Okay. If txt where is that interface? We're gonna be receiving number of passengers. Txt number of passengers dot check. Okay, let's say less than 5. Then the vehicle is equal to 5 feet. Let me also use this to show that it's the same, so that we don't have any error. And also what if I'm having an idea. You know about programming. The good part is that there are many ways of doing it. So I'm thinking of, okay, let's see if, okay, let's see else. Here I go. Thank you. Thinking of can fit. Let's see if this one can work. Can fit. We are determining which vehicle or transport are they using. Now we are going to say LDL vehicle dot text assigned to vehicle. Now let's debug first to see if what we have done already does work. Now, when you do programming, my advice is that when you code and test, before you continue with coding, you might find that you are coding and things are not working. So it's best to code and test. Okay. Frozen. Okay. Distance compatibility. Distance. Wait. Let me stop debugging. Distance. It is not distance. It is distance 2. Hey, what you have renamed when you are coding, please don't forget it. Otherwise, you will have a challenge. With this one. I think that I will be set. Hey, we are not yet on the distance. What? They're still fixing the number of persons. What did I say on code? Okay, the number of passengers. Okay, let's go. I haven't attended the distance one. I will attend it. I will attend it. I wonder why it did show it did not allow us to continue debugging. I wonder. It was supposed to allow us. Okay, find the let's say 5 theta. Okay, let's give more than 4. Okay, when we put 4 here, we got 5 theta. Let's see if we have got maybe 8 number of passengers. Then it changes to 10 theta. Again, now our code is working fine. We can continue. Okay. And remember, yes, code is working, but we are using text box instead of numeric up down. So once we use text box and we know that we are winning by text box, we just gonna copy and paste our code using numeric up down. Other than using numeric up down from the beginning and you are not winning, and then you waste time in the exam room, right? Okay, so we have succeeded on the first part. So we continue. So here we have succeeded for this 5 marks, for this 1 mark. Now we're coming to this one. Display the vehicle appropriate. We have already done this. The vehicle that is selected, we have already done it. Now 2.3, open the click event btn at the following code. Verify the user type distance in kilometer. Okay, format. So the data validation. Okay, they want us to validate if they, okay, the user editing to the meter. Okay, no problem about that one. Validation of the content. But it's okay, please enter the distance, format. Then 2.3.2 is convert the user input distance number procedure and assign values to the appropriate variables. Okay, the 7 marks we can do it to all together. Okay, we're going to use if statement. If we want the checkbox of distance, right? If txt distance dot text distance text assigned to, if then it's nothing you can use this one. I think is the best way of using nothing. And if it's nothing, then if it's nothing, then they said we should use a message box, right? Then our message box must show message box dot show. You can either use brackets or equal sign first and then brackets, and then inside the brackets you put this. So myself, I prefer to use this way. Essentially, we must write a message that says what? Please enter distance. Please enter distance. Okay, please enter distance. There we go. Please enter distance. Let's put comma here so that there can be a difference between what we wrote as a message and what we want to command as a caution. Now, caution. This is the correct spelling. Caution. Can I write it as, I write it, where's my inverted comma? There you go. You guys are allowing me to continue without this caution. Then after our caution, we can then say comma. Message box said okay. Spelling of message. Message box. Message box pattern. Okay, yeah, this one. Message box dot button. Message box button dot okay. That's the one we need. And then from there we will need message box icon. Message box icon. I think it's this one that we want. But we need the one that has got exclamation. This is the one. Yeah, message box exclamation. This is the one that we want. Select as well. Perfect. And then now before we close it, this code that we just did up here is 4 months, but there's that other 3 months. Don't forget it. We said we'll put it in one place. That one is for pointing the focus on the right text box, which is the text box of distance. TXT distance dot focus. Focus. Where is focus? Okay, it's up there in focus, and then we use open close bracket. Open close bracket. Then it's gonna focus. Now let's test. Let's debug. This is a lot of work, yo. But for the math, this is the one that we need to leave it empty, right? This one. So let's say calculate. No, it's quiet again. I'm gonna remove this code very soon because it's limiting us, and we need to test when it's empty. Okay, can I just do this? I'm gonna go and remove it. I'll put it back later because it's not helping us. Actually, even the question paper did not even tell us to assign it yet, so we just assign it assuming that the on the question paper they've done it already. And then because we don't have the hard drive that we save everything, so we assign. So no error because we could have, where is the code? I need to do this thing. Yes, this one. Of assigning this thing. Hey, my laptop is freezing. Does it not want me to remove? Okay, Control X, which is cut now. Now let's debug again. Oh God. This is what you face test while you are seated in the exam room. Now I left this box empty. Now we check here. We have got this caution. Please enter the distance, and then if I say OK, we check here. There's a blink on this text box to say this is where I need to put information. Alright, let's click it again. Now guys, on that code that I just wrote, if you checked, I said if distance protect, like, and then I assigned it to inverted commas, which is 2. If you remember, they will teach you on in ISD that when you want to do clear, you can use 2 inverted commas. And then I said, then if TXT, and then I said message box dot show enter distance. Please enter distance. So message box is this one. It's showing please enter distance, right? And then from message box showing enter distance, after a comma I wrote caution, meaning that our message box will be written up the caution. And then again after that I said message for button dot OK. It's this one. Alright, and then I said message box icon dot exclamation. It's this one. So my message box will have an icon, which is this one of exclamation. I hope you are understanding. And then I said txt dot distance dot focus, which is going to be this one blinking after I click OK. So there it is. It's blinking to say it's focused. Now if I put numbers here and then I click calculate, then it continues to work. It's saying 10 meters. If I go below 5, maybe 2, then it will say 5 meters. Simply as that. So yeah, I'm gonna put back that code that I removed because it was giving me a problem. Control V. Hey Jesus, it's no longer coming back. Guys, that code is gone. Is it? Okay, control V. Yeah, it's gone. I'll have to put it again. Now let's go back to question paper. I'll see if the stuff goes by. Okay. Convert the user input distance number of passengers and assign it to the appropriate variable. Okay. Add the formula to calculate taxi fare to the IPO chart above. Okay, we're gonna do this the processing, the calculation, and then add the code to display fare value to the current. So here I'm gonna assign for this 3 months, and then I'm gonna use IPO chart for the formula for this 3 months, and then I'm gonna display for this 3 months, and then it's gonna be 9 months, and then we'll code button clear. I think we can work on it later. Button clear, and then open the quick event. Okay, this one I'll see it on later. Let me first focus on those 9 months. Okay, which is assign text first distance. Oh, the reason why it's not coming back is still debugging. I was surprised. Yo, you forgot to stop the debug. Everything that you do will not work until you stop the debug. Now I'm stopping the debug. I was wondering when I paste that code, it's not pasting. Now when I paste it, will paste because the debug is stopped. There we go. It's back now. I pasted it because the debug is stopped. Now let's continue. They say we should do the processing. Using the formula. But it's a small market. But anyway, I'm going to say taxi fare assigned to assigned to formula now. Open bracket, close bracket. My formula, they said I should take the distance times, must multiply the distance by 5, and then again multiplied by number of passengers. Number of passengers. Where is you? Oh, it's here. Number of passengers, and then that's it. And then from there should display. Okay. LBL dot text assigned to taxi fare. Shall we see if it's working? Let's see if we are winning. We are almost there. We are almost done. Okay. Don't be surprised when it jumps to this pages because I've made 3 tabs. Okay. This is the tab we want. Now the distance is, I'm not sure on the question paper they used what. I think they used 30 on distance. 30, and then number of passengers, they said 5. get 5 and then calculate. Now check on the question paper. If we did get 750, okay, it's up there. Oh god, maybe it's down. Yeah, we did get 750. Oh, we forgotten this R for the rand. We must stop the debug. Yes, I'm going to stop the debug a lot. Dot 2 3 Don't wait for her to respond. That's the string in bracket. I said C2, which is currency of South Africa. Now let's test and see if we are winning. Actually, we are to win. We are bound to win. We are not checking to see if we are winning. We are absolutely winning. We just want to add the rand 30. Okay, let's say 8. Okay, calculate the 10 speaker, they will pay 1.2. Okay, 5. They will pay 750. The R for rand is there. So yeah, we are winning. We are winning. What else left here now? This displayed. Okay, let's go down. We have done for this one and this one. This we have done. Open the click event BTN calculate and add the following to verify the user set the off. I'm saying we are winning on the wrong thing. We are down here. We are down here. We are down here. Okay, display the same information. Yes, we have done this 3 and this 3. Click event clear. Button clear. I thought you know by now. But if you don't, then I will do it. Okay, to confirm, open the click event button exit button to complete the print. Use a statement to indicate the return value form as indicated below. Our form must be like this. Must write exit, also terminate. Remember, we have got message box icon. We've got the message up there. We've got the message box that will be carried, and then we've got yes, no. So we must do it the way it is. So we are coming to button clear, which is 3 marks. Then the exit, which is 3 marks. And then we'll be left with how many marks. And then 2.6, change the form by using like a 35 and then calculate. We have done that already, 750 and it's in rand. Okay, make it print running application of the test too much. Okay, so we are left with those 3 marks: button clear and then button exit and this for print out. Okay, button clear. Clear. We are clearing how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not that difficult. I think we can do it faster. We say PHP distance dot text assigned to. Which method do you use? There are many methods. We can use dot clear, txt. We don't do text. Txt distance dot clear. We just clear it with here in place, and then we use the bracket. Or else we use txt dot txt distance dot text assigned to. Okay, let's mix them so that you can get to see. Okay, we have got txt number of percentage dot text assigned to. Alright, we have got this method, and this method. You just choose which one you want. Now we are getting LBL, HSS, the text assigned to LBL, there I go, dot text assigned to. We are done the clearing. Let's do the button of exit. Time is gone. Oh god. Oh, they said on under exit we must use we must use if if where is our Windows form? If Windows for Windows dot form log, is this a spelling of this is a proper spelling? Log result dot yes, then need a float and need a slash. Already you know that the pattern for close is me dot close, right? Okay, let's debug and see if the true code we did are working. The please online, here online. I don't know what happened. What did I do? What happened? Debug. I'm sorry. That was not a debug. Button click. Oh, not a time. Yo, my goodness, people. My recording time is almost up. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna need to continue. I'm gonna need to continue here. Oh god. Okay, calculate. So all these things here, let's say clear. Now it cleared everything. Let's say exit. Okay. 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 Let's say debugging will stop. Let me just say debugging. Can't see my form, guys. There's a one form that is missing. I need a form that has got the interface. God. Oh Jesus. I need the form that has an interface, guys. Okay. I don't know what did I do. But yeah, you saw how it's being done, what is being done. Like, also my recording time is almost up, so I'm gonna continue with the question 3 and 4 in a moment. I'm gonna watch for another video for question 3 and question 4. It's gonna be easy, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be nice. Question 4 is just only changing the code, removing the wrong code and put the right code, removing what is supposed not to be there. Question 3 is all about coding, just like what we did with question 2. So it's same with question 2. So if you understood question 2, you will understand question 3. And then question 4, you're just going to be doing something like fixing the error. Code is correct, it's correct. Here, because they're declaring, they forgot to put team. So you write team here and then you got a mark. Then continue, it's gonna be like that. Okay, let's study the code. The code is not finished here. They were supposed to say dot text because it's txt. So txt must always have an extension of dot text. So here you put dot text to get a mark. So yes, that's what you'll be doing with question 4. But I'm gonna come back with question 3 and question 4 properly so that you can have full understanding. Thank you so much for using my content, my YouTube channel. If you have got a question, you will leave under the comment section and then I will make sure that I reply. Do make sure that you also follow us on WhatsApp so we can be able to add you on the group and you will be updated with all the information that will be happening and all the online classes that we are offering for free. My name is Untitled, and the Lord bless you and help you get all the marks that you are looking for in this year 2025. Ciao. See you soon. Look out for question 3 and 4.